In that video, we will learn about dependency and how the dependency works. First of all, we need to add some states in the state table. So the first state is Maharashtra. We can insert it successful message is occurred. Second, Himachal. So next we need to add a district table, districts in district table. So in Maharashtra we want to add Nashik. Nashik was inserted in Maharashtra state. In Maharashtra we also add Pune. In Himachal, Bilaspur. So we add talukas in taluka table. So here is the dependency concept is work. So when we click on Maharashtra, the only Maharashtra state districts are districts are shown. When we click on Himachal, only the Himachal districts are shown. So we add in Maharashtra and in Nashik. In Nashik, the Sinnar Taluka we will add. So here we can see that Maharashtra state name is Maharashtra, district name is Nashik, and Taluka name is Sinnar. In Himachal, Bilaspur is district, and XYZ is Taluka. So the state name is Himachal, district name is Bilaspur, and Taluka name is XYZ.